is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, we're going to talk about the advice that I receive from successful entrepreneurs and YouTubers. So, what I'm going to do is tell you about two successful entrepreneurs that gave me advice on how to 10x my journey to become a successful entrepreneur and YouTuber. So before I do that, I just want to say what's up. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for checking out my channel. And if you like what I'm talking about today, please like this video and please subscribe to my channel, because I bring videos that will help you make money on YouTube, make money with apps, and make money on the internet. So subscribe today. One more thing before I get to the advice that I received. I just want to give a shout out to everybody that helped me get to 200 subscribers. Yeah, I'm moving on up. I'm moving on up. So I just want to say thank you. My next milestone is going to be 300. So I'm going to be giving away money to people that comment in the comment section once I get to 300 subscribers. So I'm going to do another challenge. So in the last video, we did a challenge to get to 200 subscribers. I'm going to go ahead and give that money to the two people with the best comments from the last video. So guys, be alert, because I will be putting a comment down there and letting you know who won. And what I'm going to need is you guys' email address. Well, better yet, I'll put my email address down there and you guys email me your PayPal address so I can send you the money. So that's going to be done very, very soon, so I can send you guys the money. So look out for that. All right, without further ado, please watch this video to the very end so you can know about the advice that I received from these successful entrepreneurs and YouTubers. So let's get to it. So this is the first entrepreneur that gave me advice. His name is Kevin David. He's very successful in Amazon and drop shipping, and now he's a very successful YouTuber. So he gave me some very good advice. Please check out his videos and subscribe to his channel. He uploads daily, so you'll be getting some good information from him. So let me go ahead and show you the advice he gave me. So, okay, I'm at Kevin David's Instagram page, and I DM'd him. So I said, "Hi Kevin, how are you doing? I'm a big fan of yours. I wanted to know if you could give me some quick advice on how to become a millionaire like yourself." So he told me, just pursue what you really want, work hard, and everything will be paid off. So I said, thanks for the advice. And I asked him if I can share this with my subscribers on YouTube. And he said, sure, no worries. So I know it sounds real simple, but that was his advice. And I agree with his advice. It's very straightforward and something that you need to do. You definitely need to work hard. All right, what I'm going to do is go to the next entrepreneur that gave me some advice. All right, I'm at Tanner J. Fox's YouTube channel, and he has a lot of subscribers, and he's a very popular YouTuber, and also he was very successful being a Amazon FBA, in e-commerce. Still doing that. He's a millionaire also. So you want to probably check out his channel. He has a lot you can learn from his channel. He has a lot of videos on there, so check him out. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to his Instagram right now, and so I can show you guys the advice he gave me. All right, I'm at Tanner's Instagram, and I DM'd him. And this is what I said when I DM'd him. I said, "Hey Tanner, what's your advice you would give someone just starting out as a YouTuber and online entrepreneur?" And he said, "Learn as much as you can from people who are already successful doing what you want to do. Be consistent. That's the key on YouTube. Then test something on a small scale and evaluate how it goes. Make small changes until you start seeing success." Then he said, "Good luck to you." So that's the advice he gave. So, as you can see on Kevin David's YouTube and Tanner J. Fox YouTube, they have a lot of subscribers. So, I would definitely follow this advice. So guys, that was the advice that I was given by two successful entrepreneurs, Kevin David and Tanner J. Fox. So make sure you work hard, start out small, evaluate, learn from your mistakes, model somebody that is successful in whatever you're trying to do, and don't give up. And in the end, once you get to where you're going, it's going to pay off. So follow that advice, because that's what I'm going to do. I'm following that exact advice that they gave me. So make sure you follow these guys and subscribe to their channels, because they provide very valuable information about Amazon FBA, drop shipping, and being successful on YouTube. So follow Kevin David and Tanner J. Fox. All right, that's all I have for today. I just want to give you guys the advice that I have received from these guys, so I can help you guys out, because I know on this channel I'm probably getting a lot of people that are just starting off on YouTube or aspiring to be an entrepreneur. So I'm here, since I've been doing this, I'm here to help you guys as I, catapult my way into being a successful entrepreneur. So, for watching this video to the very end, I want to give away a free gift. But first, let me ask you this. Do you have an app idea but don't know how to get it made? Well, with 6 years of experience creating apps, I can show you how. All you have to do is download this free ebook called How to Make Money Creating Apps Without Coding. This ebook provides 7 steps that will show you how to create apps without any coding and how to make money from the apps. So go ahead and download it in the description below. Click on the link. Again, it's called How to Make Money Creating Apps Without Coding ebook. So that's my free gift I want to give to you guys. All right, that's all I have for today. Next video, I'll be back providing more valuable information on businesses you can start right now and start making money. So check out the next video that will be coming up soon. All right, before I go, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop a comment down below, share this video on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Also, make sure you share this with your friends and family. And don't forget to smash that notification bell so you know when a new video has been dropped, because I will be dropping videos like this on a weekly and maybe daily basis. All right, that's all I have. Again, thank you for tuning in, and make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.